How can I permanently delete Instagram messages on both sides?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to permanently delete Instagram messages on both sides. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram inbox and remove messages that you no longer want to keep, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of deleting messages in a way that ensures they are permanently removed from both your account and the recipient's account. So, let's get started.
Understanding Instagram message deletion.
Before we jump into the deletion process, it's important to understand how Instagram handles message deletion. When you delete a message, Instagram removes it from your account, but it doesn't automatically remove it from the recipient's account. This means that even if you delete a message from your end, the recipient can still see it in their inbox. To ensure complete removal, we need to follow a specific method.
Unsend messages to permanently delete.
To permanently delete Instagram messages on both sides, you need to use the Unsend feature. This feature allows you to retract a message and remove it from both your account and the recipient's account. Here's how you can do it. 1. Open the Instagram app on your device and go to your direct messages by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the home screen. 2. Find the conversation containing the message you want to delete and open it. 3. Locate the specific message you want to delete and press and hold on it. This will select the message and reveal a pop-up menu. 4. In the pop-up menu, tap on the Unsend option. Instagram will ask for confirmation before deleting the message. 5. Confirm the deletion by tapping Unsend again. The message will now be permanently removed from both your account and the recipient's account.
Additional tips for message deletion.
Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when deleting Instagram messages. Be cautious. Once you unsend a message, it cannot be recovered. Make sure you really want to delete the message before proceeding. Multiple messages. If you have multiple messages you want to delete, you can repeat the process mentioned in Section 2 for each message individually. Group conversations. If you're deleting messages from a group conversation, the messages will be deleted for everyone in the group, not just yourself and the recipient. Congratulations! You've learned how to permanently delete Instagram messages on both sides using the Unsend feature. Remember, deleting messages using this method ensures that the messages are removed from both your account and the recipient's account. Keep in mind the tips I shared with you to make the most out of this feature. Now you can clean up your Instagram inbox and maintain your privacy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.